Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says, if given x to the power of y minus y to the power of x equals to 17, find x and y. So we are going to find the value of x and y from this given equation. We are given x to the power of y minus y to the power of x equals to 17. So we have x to the power of y here and we have y to the power of x here. So what we are going to do is to multiply by a power of a constant. Let a constant be equal to 1, where 1 can be equal to 2 all over 2, or we have 3 all over 3 is the same thing as 1. And we can have that x to the power of y to the power of 1 is the same thing as x to the power of y. So what we are going to do is for us to substitute this in the place of 1. So here we can write this as x to the power of y all to the power of 1 minus y to the power of x all to the power of 1 equals to 17. So in the place of 1, we are going to substitute 2 upon 2. So this will become x to the power of y all to the power of 2 upon 2 minus y to the power of x all to the power of 2 upon 2 equals to 17. So in this case, we say note, when we have a to the power of m all to the power of n, the same thing as a to the power of n m. So this can be written as x to the power of y times 2 upon 2 minus y to the power of x times 2 upon 2 equals to 17. So in this case, this can be written as x to the power of y all over 2 all to the power of 2 minus y to the power of x all over 2 all to the power of 2 equals to 17. So we have here and we have this in this parenthesis. What we are going to do, we say let x to the power of y all over 2 equals to a and y to the power of x all over 2 equals to b. So here will become a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 equals to 17. We all know that difference of 2 squared can be written in this form. So we have that as a minus b all into a plus b equals to 17. So this is the solution of difference of 2 squared, where a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 gives us this. So in this case, we have two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to the first factors of 17 or the second one equals to the second factors of 17. How do we find out the factors of 17? 17 can be written as 1 times 17, and 17 can also be written as 17 times 1. Which one are we going to represent? Is it this one or this one? How do we find out? If we set the first parenthesis, if a equals to 2 and b equals to 3, 2 for the first one, 2 minus 3 will be equals to minus 1, and for the second one, 2 plus 3 will be equals to 5. So the first parenthesis will represent the smaller value of the factors of 17, and the second parenthesis will represent the greater factors of 17. So in this case, what we are going to do is for us to take this one, not this one. So we are going to represent that in the factors of 17. Here will become a minus b all into a plus b equals to 1 times, we have there 17. So it is the first parenthesis equals to 1 and the second parenthesis equals to 17. So we have that a minus b equals to 1 for case 1, and also have a plus b equals to 17. This is case 2. So what we are going to do is for us to find the solution of a and b from these two cases. So the first one, we take from the first one, from case 1, or we can call it equation 1 and equation 2. So from here we say add equation 1 and equation 2. So what we are going to do, this is the same thing as having a minus b equals to 1 and a plus b equals to 17. So adding these two, a plus a will give us 2a, and we have minus b plus b will give us 0. So this equals to 1 plus 17 equals 18. So in this case, dividing both sides by 2, we have a equals to 18 all over 2. Therefore, our value of a equals to 9. So this is the value of a that we have. Then for the second one, we can subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So in this case, we have a minus b equals to 1, and a plus b equals to 17. Then subtracting these two, this minus there will give us 0. Minus b will give us minus 2b equals to 1 minus 17 will give us minus 16. Therefore, we can have b equals to minus 16 all over minus 2. Therefore, our value of b equals to 8. So we have the value of b as 8, and we have the value of a as 9. So what we are going to do is for us to substitute back for where we have this. This is our a and this is our b. So in that case, we need to clean this. So we said we have the value of our a equals to 9 and our b equals to 8. We recall that our x to the power of y all over 2 equals to a, and also y to the power of x all over 2 equals to b. Taking this one first, we have x to the power of y upon 2 equals to 9. So here, for us to clear this, we have that we need to square both sides. So this will become x to the power of y upon 2 all to the power of 2 equals to 9 all to the power of 2. So we have 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. We have x to the power of y equals to 81. So this is what we have. So in this case, 81 can be written as x to the power of y equals to 3 of 4. So this is for this other side. Then this other side, we have y to the power of x all over 2 equals to b. Our value of b equals to 8. So for us to clear this, we need to square both sides. So this will become y to the power of x upon 2 all to the power of 2 equals to 8 to the power of 2. So here 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. Therefore we have value of y to the power of x equals to 64. And also 64 can be written as y to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of 6. So in that case, we can also simplify this as, because we have 4 here and we need something for here, so we have y to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of 2 times 3. This can be written as y to the power of x equals to 4. 2 to the power of 2 equals to 4 to the power of 3. So we have this and we have this. We can deduce that by comparing this equation. We find out that our value of x equals to 3 and also our value of y equals to 4. So this is the value of x and y by comparing these two equations, and we have gotten that our x equals to 3 and our y equals to 4. We can do a little check for us to see whether x equals to 3 and y equals to 4 will satisfy this expression. So we have here check. So we have given x to the power of y minus y to the power of x equals to 17, and our value of x equals to 3 and our value of y equals to 4. So substituting this parameter into this equation, we have 3 to the power of 4 minus 4 to the power of 3. Well, this equals to 17. So here 3 to the power of 4 is 17 as 81, and also minus 4 to the power of 3 is 17 as 64. Well, this equals to 17. We all know that 18 minus 64 equals to 17, and this is equals to 17. What we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Therefore, x equals to 3 and y equals to 4 satisfy this equation. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share video for more interesting topic. Thank you.